In the digital age, a new trend has emerged: AI-generated influencers. These virtual personalities are gaining massive followings on social media platforms. But the question remains: can AI truly replace human influencers? As technology advances, the line between real and virtual becomes increasingly blurred. AI-generated influencers are designed to resonate with audiences on a personal level. Brands are leveraging these virtual entities for marketing campaigns and endorsements. However, controversies arise regarding authenticity and ethical considerations. The rise of AI influencers raises concerns about the future of human influencers. Will AI personalities dominate the social media landscape? Some argue that AI influencers offer a more controlled and reliable brand image. Yet, others fear the loss of genuine human connection and creativity. Viewers' perceptions of AI influencers vary, with some embracing the novelty while others remain skeptical. The debate over AI-generated influencers sparks discussions about identity and authenticity. As technology progresses, the role of human influencers may evolve or face existential threats. Join us as we delve into the realm of AI-generated influencers and the impact on digital culture. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful content.